Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button above, hit that notification bell icon too. Kindly follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, as I've lots of new reviews, international giveaways, exciting news and fun stuff lined up. I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Today, I'll be sharing with you a brand new Android TV box, which not only looks different, but also has a brand new feature which is on an industrial level. Now the package contains the usual, a user manual, a power adapter, a remote control, a HD cable, and guys, the unique brand new Android TV box itself. Here we have the Mecool M8S MAX S912 Android TV box. The box is available worldwide and is currently on sale for a limited time, and you can get your hands on it for only $55, and the links for it are in the description box below this video. Now guys, if I can, I'll try to get my hands on a discount code, and if I can, I will list it in the description box below this video. Now guys, check out the specs for it on the screen in front of you. The box contains a very high-end chipset with the Amlogic S912 64-bit Octa-core CPU, which is ARM Cortex A53, up to 1.5 GHz. The GPU is ARM Mali T820 MP3. It has a 3 GB RAM and a 32 GB ROM. It's on Android 7.1, and here's hoping that we do have an update very soon. We have built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and we have Bluetooth version 4.0. Now check it out guys, it looks nice and compact, very light in weight, and it looks pretty much the same as other Mecool M8S devices. Very nice looking, measuring at around 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters square. Here at the bottom we have nice rubbery grip pad, and there's lots of ventilation holes. Now this Android TV box guys is the first ever box which features a physical industrial grade fan, which allows way over 12 hours of non-stop 4K streaming, heavy gaming and lots more. And guys, what differentiates this box from all the other Android TV boxes that I've seen is this very cool blue back LED lit integrated fan on the top of the unit, which keeps it nice and cool. The Mecool M8S MAX TV box is running on Android 7.1.2 with no bloatware installed. It comes with just one launcher installed, which is the VSL launcher. The UI is very fast and smooth, and the box boots up in under 25 seconds, taking us right to the Android TV home screen here in front of you. Many times guys, we've come across Android TV boxes which tick all the right boxes in terms of RAMs and ROMs, size, price, etc. But usually after a couple of hours of use, disappointment kicks in. The box slows down, we lose connection, we have some lags, and sometimes the box shuts down on us. The culprit being no fan or not enough ventilation modded into the box. Well, the Mecool M8S MAX comes to solve these problems because of the included industrial graded fan with a large hole for the evacuation of hot air in its upper part. Now check out the ports guys, we have an AV port, RJ45 port, HD TV port, DC 5 volts, USB 2, USB 2, a TF card slot. Although guys, I'm a big fan of the S905 x2 CPU, which is the current best. This box features a high-end chipset with a CPU Amlogic S912, which also performs very well. Here in front of us guys, we have a simplistic design with a neat Mecool brand specific user interface. We are able to connect our phones to the box and view it on a bigger screen via Miracast, DLNA and AirPlay. Streaming via YouTube, Netflix, Kodi and Prime is a breeze. This box provides an ultra clear and immersive movies, animations and gaming experience. And thankfully it supports OTA. The manufacturers claim that as per the Heatsink test, when watching a 4K at 60 frames per second video, for example, a standard box would heat up to around 72 degrees Celsius, whereas this box stays at around 42 degrees temperature, which is great news for those of us who love to use an Android TV box to its full potential with hours of streaming, gaming, browsing without any overheating, slowdown issues. So guys, I've been using this box for around 3 weeks now. I use it on a daily basis and I can happily confirm that I have not experienced any run rate reduction, any lag, crashes, slowdown or any overheating problems so far. The box has been very impressive. Now check out the streaming, gaming, Wi-Fi tests and Antutu benchmark scores.
You're the most advanced weapon ever. She's threatening the natural order of things. Destroy her.
Don't underestimate who I am. I do not stand by in the presence of evil.
I know this is hard, but I need to ask you some questions about what happened.
He tied my hands. He said if I screamed, he'd kill me.
You think Marie made up the attack?
I'm pretty positive that it happened.
Real power lies in understanding who it is you're truly fighting. I know you want to fight, but there are other ways of doing your duty.
Tell me something. Why is it so hard for you to kill this man?
Please be a 5-star ride.
Uber?
Yeah, be cool, be nice.
Take this.
Oh, I am not touching that.
It's a baby gun. It allows you to fire it while crying.
The Antutu score is not massive, yet very decent in comparison to many other recent Android TV boxes. Do check out where the Mecool M8S MAX stands in Chigs' top Android TV boxes. I have left the link for the chart in the description box below this video. A big shout out to Chigs Tech Reviews for his awesome vid and exceptional charts.
What's your GPA again? 3.999.
Kaminsky's tests are impossible.
Well, then just let me help.
You failed, Kim.
C minus.
Could Nama's glory be nothing but an elaborate fiction? Perhaps. The most important monument to this king
You're out of ammo. Switch to your sidearm now. Okay, these are support drones. Shoot them down for various bonuses. This one gives you ammo. Be careful. Something's coming. My radar's beginning to jam. Always use medkits to heal yourself. Try it now. Let's clear the area. Let's get our bird.
No need to thank me.
Who's next?
And the hunger, abundant.
Now that was some very impressive performance. With all my tests, games, etc., the M8S MAX temperatures have not gone above 42 degrees Celsius. The fan is running all the time when the unit is on, but you can hardly hear or notice it running. Any negatives? Well guys, although it's a very nice and quick responsive Android TV box and everything seems to be running and working well on it, I guess it is only running on Android 7.1.2. It would have been nice to see an Android 9. Here's hoping we have an update very soon. Now, other positives, I have successfully connected the Mecool box to an external 1TB Samsung hard drive and it works perfectly fine. Now the M8S Max also comes pre-installed with TV Center Kodi 17.6, which is great for those of you who are interested, although I personally prefer to stream via Netflix, Prime and YouTube. Now guys, I am also able to control the M8S Max with my normal TV remote, which is so much more convenient, saves me from having to handle more than one remote controller, and this is a great touch and much appreciated. However, I personally find an ear mouse or a mini keyboard is much better to use when controlling any TV box. As always, I highly recommend the all-rounder, best in terms of price and for what it does, the Mini Wireless Backlit TouchPad, for which I've left the links in the description box below this video. Okay guys, so all done and said. In summary, the Mecool M8S Max is a great little Android TV box. It does everything it should do, and the built-in industrial level fan makes it even more desirable, especially if you are using an Android TV box on a daily basis with heavy gaming, 4K streaming, etc. It has plenty of life, exceptional performance, and for a very good, reasonable price. As I mentioned earlier, it's currently on sale for a limited time. I have left the link for it in the description box below, so go and check it out. Okay guys, so that's me done for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and guys, hit that bell icon above to be notified of my latest videos, giveaways, etc. Now the next video or two are very exciting ones. You do not want to miss them. There are some exciting, interesting giveaways in there as well. Until the next one guys, take care, bye.